Having money doesn't equal wealth. You might think the two go hand in hand, but they're as far removed as Kim and Kanye West. Rich means you have cash in your bank account. Wealth means you have cash in your unborn kid's bank account. Number 1. Wealth is not just about the money. Aluxers, we know that money can't buy freedom, but money can give peace of mind, and wouldn't you say they're basically the same thing? So, while you may have an impressive-looking bank balance, if the shit hits the fan, how long will that money last you? 6 months? 12 months? The pandemic has proven that we can never be sure what the future holds. Real wealth means that your income will survive despite a pandemic. Your wealth will keep you going indefinitely, and you'll sleep well at night knowing tomorrow will be just like today. Number 2. Wealth works for you, not vice versa. We go into detail on this topic in our video, 10 Ways to Make Money Work for You, where we said, assign a job to your money. What do you want your money to do for you? You need to provide your money with a job description so it knows its purpose. Level 1. You pop your cash into a bank account and earn interest on it. Your money makes a small monthly profit. Level 2. You buy property and rent it out. The rent covers the bond and interest rate. Here, your money is doing 2 jobs, working as an allocation tool, providing housing for someone, and paying off a bond. Level 3. You buy ads for your product, track down the profit from the ads and reinvest that profit into more ads, and keep repeating. Here, your money is being used to generate a constant flow of income while increasing your interest with each cycle. Aluxers, you are the CEO of your money. Now it's time to play the role and get things working like a well-oiled machine. Number 3. You need a formal education to become wealthy. Hey Luxers, we know there's still a huge fat, look at me, I got my college degree attached to getting a formal education. Heck, Lori Loughlin's fashion designer husband allegedly paid $500,000 to get their daughters into USC as part of their rowing team. And Felicity Huffman allegedly paid $15,000 to a charity and has subsequently apologized and promised to try and lead a more honest life. The point is, higher education is deemed so important that people are willing to go to these lengths to get their kids into the best universities. We highly recommend you watch Operation Varsity Blues, the college admissions scandal on Netflix. Some of the most successful business people don't have degrees. Bill Gates, David Karp from Tumblr, Pete Cashmore from Mashable, and Mark Zuckerberg. We suggest subscribing to our channel as we feature many profiles of these big names and their journey to success. Number 4. Wealth is also about networking. You've probably heard the saying a few times, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Forbes.com believes that the saying should be tweaked to, it's not who or what you know, it's when. They further add that finding yourself in the right place at the right time is when the magic happens, and that's what networking is all about. The thing is, if you don't know the right people, you won't be in a situation which provides you with the right timing, and that's where wealth comes in. Wealth attracts the right contacts, which you'll only meet when networking with the wealthy. But don't think you can flash your cash, Luxers, because that won't work, which we'll explain next. Number 5. The truly wealthy have no need to display their wealth. You're well aware of Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg wearing staple wardrobes. You know, clothes that don't scream labels and doesn't require much energy to pick out and put on. Rich people feel the need to display their money. They want to show off their name-brand clothing, their fancy cars, and big mansions. Like American businessman Robert Kiyosaki once said, there is a difference between the two. The rich have lots of money, but the wealthy don't worry about money. Which would you rather be, rich or wealthy? And Luxers, Kiyosaki has several fantastic books available for you to listen to on Audible. We recommend Fake. Fake money, fake teachers, fake assets. How lies are making the poor and middle class poorer. And if you haven't already, remember to claim your free listen through us by going to Alux.com/freebook. Number 6. Having wealth means relying on others. To build wealth, you need to work harder and smarter. You need to grow your wealth without being restricted by your own limitations. You need to use or leverage the resources of others, especially in areas that you're not good at. The wealthy didn't get there by themselves, so whether it's financial, time, IT, marketing, networking, or knowledge leverage, lean in on other people to help you build and grow your wealth, and by using their knowledge and resources, you're helping them grow their wealth. As quoted by financialmentor.com, if you aren't using leverage, then you're working harder than you should to earn less than you deserve, and that isn't going to make you wealthy. Number 7, wealth means security. Aluxers, how many crazy stories have you heard about lotto winners who win millions, spend it all, and they're left with less than what they had before they won? Rich people can have a lot of money for a short period of time, and that money could be gone overnight. The finance twins put it this way: the difference between rich versus wealthy is that one group of people focus on investing, while the other focuses on spending. And which would make you feel more secure? Certainly the investing, and that's the key difference, Aluxers. Wealth provides you with security, and that security is worth the sacrifices you'll make to get there. Number 8, wealth is for everyone. A common idea that people get wrong about wealth is that it's not for them. They truly believe that they'll never be wealthy, that they don't have the means, knowledge, or support to get there. We're here to tell you that you can be wealthy. You need to create a wealth-building mindset. If you have a fixed mindset, you believe that you're exactly who and how you are forever, and you can't be or do anything else. If you have a growth mindset, you acknowledge that you're a work in progress. You embrace change and challenges and aren't afraid to try and learn new things. A prime example is Bitcoin, and we know that committing into Bitcoin can be daunting. We're here to help you out with that. We built Bitcoin Essentials. In our opinion, it's the best blockchain and Bitcoin resource for those of you who want to get started with crypto but have no idea where to begin. Go to Alux.com/Bitcoin and enroll now. Number 9, wealth provides a portfolio. Investopedia published an article titled 4 Steps to Building a Profitable Portfolio, where they share insights into the importance of portfolios. As they said, a well-diversified portfolio is your best bet for the consistent long-term growth of your investments. To be successful and to accumulate wealth, you need to have a well-maintained portfolio. Your portfolio needs to reflect your future capital requirements, which circles us back to point number 1. Peace of mind, and that's what well-maintained portfolios can offer the wealthy. Number 10, you see the end result, not the journey. Hey Luxers, it's easy to look at the super wealthy and feel envious of their success, and there's no doubt about it. Some were born into wealth, but most work to get there. We don't always see the failures or setbacks they experienced to get to where they are now. J.K. Rowling pitched Harry Potter to 12 different publishers. They all rejected her. Stephen King's Carrie was rejected 30 times, and Thomas Edison created 10,000 prototypes of the electric bulb before perfecting it. You're still on your journey, so remain focused and you'll get there. Number 11, you need money to make money. Wrong. We've proven that time and time again. Our video 15 Ways to Start a Business While Being Poor provides you with everything you need to know about starting a successful business with no money. One of the suggestions was start with nothing but start selling anyway. We said, you don't need a car to have the largest taxi network in the world. Just ask Uber. You don't need a hotel to be the largest accommodation giant in the world. Look at Airbnb. And you don't need a single product to open an e-commerce platform. Forget warehouses, forget transport trucks, forget packaging or even support staff. All you need is a supplier. Find a product you believe there's a market for and sell it. Build a website and spend some money on advertising or leverage your network to get some free advertising. And if you work hard enough, the sales will come in. Once the sales come in, you order and the supplier ships directly to your customer. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that supports over 1 million independent businesses. Find out more by going to Alux.com/sell and start selling today. Number 12, having the one-day mentality. Aluxers, this one is self-explanatory. We all do this. We say things like, when this month is over, I'll start XYZ, or as soon as I have this degree, I'll begin this project. Start now. The one thing standing between you and building your wealth is you, and only you can change that. Author Karen Lamb once said, "A year from now, you'll wish you'd started today." Number 13. Having true wealth enables you to give. The beauty about wealth is you can give, not only to those causes close to your heart, but you could uplift an entire community. Some of the wealthiest people in the world are also the most generous. Many have pledged their wealth into the giving pledge when they die. People who've committed to this pledge include Bill Gates, Mackenzie Scott, Michael Bloomberg, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg. And Aluxers, on a side note, even if you're not a wealthy person, don't ever let that stop you from giving. If you're looking for inspiration, we have so many ideas in our video, 15 small acts of kindness that make the world a better place. Number 14. Creating wealth ethically is possible. We can't stress this enough, Aluxers. If you grow your wealth ethically, you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor so much more. You won't be anxious and worried that someone will find out what you're doing on the sly. You'll be able to set a good example for your peers, colleagues, friends, and family. You can inspire others to do the same and can rest easy at night knowing you haven't taken advantage of the system, taken more than you should, and played not fair. We're Aluxers after all, and that is not what we're about. Number 15. Redefine wealth. David Hoffman, co-founder and CEO of Global TQM, says the following about wealth on CNBC.com. Real wealth isn't just about having a lot of cold, hard cash. It's also proportionate to your happiness, health, and overall quality of life. So don't just focus on what's in your bank account. Set aside time to take care of your mind and body. Stick to doing things you're passionate about. Surround yourself with positive energy. When you do all of these things, money and success will eventually follow. And Aluxers, we couldn't have said it better ourselves. Now, do you believe that money changes who we are, or does it just bring out the real version of ourselves? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. And of course, you stuck with us until the end. Here's your bonus. If you're after true wealth and you see signs like "create wealth now, ask me how," don't ask. You're safer off not knowing. Rather, follow the steps we've outlined in this video and several other videos on our channel, and keep at it, Aluxers. You will get there. Thanks for watching. We're so glad you joined us today. Remember to subscribe for more videos and to leave this one a thumbs up.